So there's a before and after.
I don't approve of this, but whatever.
But I want it to look like Angelina Jolie in Hackers. You know, it's giving sexy Spock. So that's what I want it to be.
Let's see if I can do that. Can you brush your hair forward?
Now I can brush it forward again.
Alright, here we go.
Do you want to start here first?
No, I want to start right here.
Ooh, ow, you're pulling my shit.
I never said, listen, you can always go to the salon.
What's happening? Are you looking at the picture? You have to admit you're having fun with it.
Watch your hair. On this episode of Botched. It's kind of like what it looks like now.
Kinda. This is a little long on the side, I think. And thick.
I'm working on it. We are the weirdos, mister.
Mm-hmm.
We are the weirdos.
We are. Oh, that's perfect.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Oh, it's so cute.
I'm a fucking artist.
I know. Nope, nope. There we go. Look at that point. That's sexy.
Let me see something else. Alright. No. Do I gotta buzz you too? Is there like a buzz cut?
I think in the back it's like a
Does this hair right here go forward?
The hair here goes forward, and then the rest is short. The rest is short. Yeah. Oh, that's an interesting technique. Okay.
Does it fucking matter? Is this all this area is like buzzed out?
Yeah, I guess.
Like I want you like to the rest.
Mm-hmm. I'll go on my ears. Also, I'm not tape it.
See? You gotta keep that shit open all the time. I need another angle now in the back. It just looks like she cut her hair herself. That's the whole look. Oh, it was kind of long. Oh, that's gone. I thought it was more like a buzz. Yeah, I guess it's like that. Good, good.
It's terrifying.
Can I nip you?
Close.
I told her, I said, you should go to the salon. You know, I know I cut her hair before, but that's like, you know, buzzing someone's hair like a boy is not the same as doing fucking layers and shit. You know what I mean? Like, but, you know, you give her what she wants to be happy. And she says it's only hair, so fuck it, I don't give a fuck. It ain't my hair.
You love this shit. You have fun with it. You complain, and then once you start getting into it, you enjoy it.
I'm saying because I'm always good at whatever I do. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's how you gotta think. Well, because
Well, it's supposed to be short back here.
it's supposed to go higher, right? But,
It goes, yeah, it's like the whole back of the head is short and the only part that's a little bit
so
long.
basically I have to do layers going all throughout.
Okay.
I have to blow this up.
Probably up here in time. Different angles? Oh, we're serving angles. Okay.
Look at that shit though. That side looks better than this side actually. Maybe I should have did it like that from the jump. Right, that's close to what it is, right? Yeah, I guess. And then what in the back what?
Back is like all tap, 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 like that. Tap, 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 like that. It's not long. Back of the hair isn't long, it's just laying flat.
Well,
It's
again?
like
Look it up again.
this. And like you have to hold it out at the angle for it to fall at that. That was you saying, I'm doing it this way anyway. Now it's just short and oval.
What? That's exactly what it looks like on the side. So when you're gonna go to the salon, you're gonna say, look, my husband tried to come in here, he fucked this shit up, can you fix it? Go! He's got my toes. How do you like it so far?
It's interesting.
Interesting? It's kind of more like a... Alright.
Closer. Closer, right?
Closer.
This one's still a little long. I think.
So your hair kind of like...
Flips out. It's
Flips
it's
out.
just like that because I have to wash. I think that now this way. Oh, I don't know. Where? Is that still too long? I have to open it.
Just needs to be more rounded. And these hairs look so short. I don't know if you like that.
That's it, I think. Right?
so.
This side's more rounded, right?
Mm.
I feel like the sideburn is long.
That is fucking curly.
I know, but the other side's shorter.
So you might lose it. This is part of it too.
That's fine. Yeah, and then the whole back needs to just go short.
Chop.
Chop.
You want me to?
No, this is still too long. I think what we need to do is like part. Let's see. Part. And then you just. Chop. Maybe part. I think we can chop in.
Crazy back there. I don't know if I like what you're doing.
Well, then fix it.
Way too much. Now it just sticks up like.
Well, it's gonna go down when I style it anyway, but I need it short. I've been telling you I need it short. The whole back's gotta get short, and then it just lays flat against the head.
Yes. Look homeless.
Oh man, I look homeless.
I want to be a real one.
Damn.
Yo.
All for you, baby. Alright, this is where we're at, guys. And I'm going in with shears now because I feel like the bangs are a little bit dense. Husband is officially covered in hair. Yeah, definitely lots of thinning needed.
Maybe you could thin that back part too.
Well, it isn't, it's just straggly, it's just. I think it's kind of cool.
Right, so?
Yeah, you are, it's tracking me.
Yeah.
Kind of cool. Getting there. Husband did a good job on the back, I think. I'm kind of unsure about this little piece here on the side, but I think I like it a little bit longer just in case, and then we could sort it out. I feel like the way she had it styled is like a little bit more pointy. What do you think, guys? Be honest with me. I feel like in order to appreciate this look, you need to see it with some makeup on. Also, this sideburn keeps curling up, and I don't know if it's that it's actually longer than this one or what. I think that's the issue. I think it's that. Fire. That's it. I will come back on and do like a nice reveal, maybe with some makeup. I'm actually supposed to film a look, like a collab post. So maybe I will take this opportunity to do that after I shower. And poor Kyle needs to come out of his crate, so I didn't want him rolling around in hair, so that's that. I guess I should show you the big pile of hair, huh? Do you see the big pile of hair? Wild. And a mixture of my cat's litter that keeps coming all over the floor, but this is real life shit. Hey. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am gonna shower and get husband's opinion on where I'm at now, but I think he's gonna like it a whole lot more now. And I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous, but I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so bye guys. Anyways, guys, this is the hair reveal. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And yeah, still learning how to style it. If you have any suggestions for products, please let me know.